And the video starts. Here we go. Don't run away. Don't run away. You know what's going on here. You dumbass. Zoe! Hold on, I gotta show you something. What if I can get this? Hey, it's like right on that. Sorry, here Zoe, get ready, get ready. I want to show you what she does every time somebody tries to run up the stairs. Alright, ready? You ready? No, I'm talking to my dog right now. 1, 2. Oh shit. Alright, good girl. You're gonna kill those assholes. Alright. Okay. That's Zoe. This is Max. He doesn't do a lot. He just kind of gets scared and then rolls over. I love you, Max. Alright, I'm done. I'm done.